Hello, good morning. It's almost Halloween. This is actually a character that my daughter wanted me to draw for a Halloween contest she was doing. She wanted to have people put different costumes on her, which I thought was a really cool idea. This morning I had a little extra time and I just decided to do a little video to show just the outlining of this character. So I already drew her. I used pencil and I used a gaming character that I have as a reference because my daughter liked her and she wanted me to use her. Right now I'm just taking a permanent marker and going around the edges of her, create the outline. And I like to build up around the edges slowly. I did this video in real time just so you could see how really kind of slow the process is, and it's kind of calming actually. It's nice and relaxing to do. So I also am using a pen to go in and do the thinner lines towards the inside. I have kind of a pop artish cartoony style with my people that I use. So I kind of make her pop out of the paper. So around the edges, the very outer edges of her, I make sure that the outline is very kind of bold and dark, and then the lines that I use inside of the picture are more thin. And it just kind of creates a sort of realistic look, but also it pops out at you a little bit. Another technique I use for the hair that I wanted to talk a little bit about is that towards her face, I build up on the shadow so it's darker around her face, so it frames her face better and helps create the shape. And then towards the middle of her hair, middle section, I do midtones, so I do a little lighter, and then gradually towards the middle I use nothing, so it's just a blank kind of line to create the highlight. And I like to do the highlights towards the center of whatever fold I'm doing so that you can kind of really see the fold in her hair. It just helps to show the area that's closest to the lighting, so it gives that illusion of a fold or a bend. So I actually used it, I did two highlights, like one in her bun and then one in the other part of her hair. So that's a little helpful tip. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, or whoever's watching wants to ask anything, I will try to answer in the comments. And thanks. Bye.